Hello, creative minds! Are you ready for another artistic adventure at Toddlers Art Hub? Today, we're drawing and coloring something exciting, a monster truck. Buckle up for a colorful journey. Let's dive in. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's start with the foundation. Draw two big wheels for our powerful monster truck. Now, connect those wheels to create the sturdy body of our truck. Add a triangle flag at the back to give it a cool touch. No monster truck is complete without a siren light. Draw it on top of the truck, and let's add a fiery flame in the body for an extra wow factor. Fantastic! With our monster truck sketched out, let's make it stand out by outlining the drawing. Bold and sharp lines are the secret. Now, it's time to bring our monster truck to life with a burst of colors. Let's get started. Orange color. Purple color. Pink color. Sky blue color. Blue color. Green color. Red color. Yellow color. Orange color. And there you have it, my amazing artists. Our monster truck is now a vibrant spectacle of colors. I hope you enjoyed the ride with us today. Keep those creative engines running, and remember, the world of art is as boundless as your imagination. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.